Ever wondered what makes Hostess cakes irresistibly soft and fluffy? The secret lies in cellulose gum, a plant-based thickener that locks in moisture, keeping Twinkies and ding-dongs perfectly tender with every bite. Picture sinking your teeth into a moist, chocolatey sponge cake oozing with rich cream and crowned with distinctive swirl. The Hostess cupcake is more than just a treat. It's a beloved American classic. Launched in 1919, it proudly claims the title of the first commercially made cupcake in the world. Over the years, it has become a beloved fixture in lunchboxes, convenience stores, and supermarket aisles. Today, Hostess churns out over 600 million cupcakes annually, cementing its legacy in the world of snacks. But what is it that makes this confection so captivating? Welcome to Industria, where we uncover the fascinating processes behind the iconic products and take you inside the factories. So grab your snacks and let's go. Twinkies, the legendary golden sponge cakes with their signature creamy filling, have been delighting snack lovers since 1930. Their popularity skyrocketed under the Hostess brand, which was originally established in 1919 and has since become synonymous with classic baked goods. Today, Twinkies are produced on an impressive scale at the Hostess Baking Company's facility in Emporia, Kansas, spanning 350,000 square feet, making it the world's largest cake manufacturing plant. Let's take a behind-the-scenes look at this intricate process. The Twinkie making process begins with a massive industrial mixing bowl where machines dispense key ingredients like flour and water, while sugar, eggs, and flavorings are added with precision. The batter is then mixed at high speeds, aerating it for a light, fluffy texture. Carefully metered water ensures the perfect moisture balance, creating the ideal foundation for every Twinkie. Once the batter is perfectly mixed, it's poured into custom-designed metal pans, with each massive batch weighing an astonishing 2,000 pounds. The trays then move into high-capacity 75-foot ovens for approximately 12 minutes, where precise temperatures ensure the cakes rise to their signature golden perfection. As they bake, Twinkies move through the production line in staggering numbers. At any moment, 15,000 are in the oven, while 35,000 are cooling, setting the stage for their next delicious transformation. 1,000 Twinkies are made every minute, and 7 million Donettos per day, an astonishing testament to their enduring popularity. After cooling for 42 minutes, Twinkies reach the filling station, where machines use metal tubes to inject Hostess's signature vanilla-flavored cream through 3 evenly spaced points. Despite its rich taste, the filling contains no dairy. It's a blend of sugar, corn syrup, and shortening, ensuring a smooth texture and long shelf life. This precise process guarantees the perfect balance of fluffy cake and luscious filling in every bite. Did you know the original Twinkie recipe in the 1930s had a banana cream filling? During World War II, banana shortages forced Hostess to switch to vanilla. People loved it, so it stuck. Once filled with their signature vanilla cream, each Twinkie is gently flipped to ensure perfect distribution. They then race through high-speed wrapping machines, sealing them in their iconic plastic packaging to lock in freshness. Next, Twinkies are packed into boxes of 10, loaded onto trucks, and sent to supermarkets nationwide, ready to satisfy sweet cravings wherever they go. Twinkies owe their name to a shoe advertisement. While heading to pitch his new snack idea, Jimmy Dewar saw a billboard for Twinkle Toe shoes. Inspired by the catchy name, he shortened it to Twinkies, and the rest is sweet history. But let's go back to 1919's OG Hostess cupcakes and how they are made. Hostess uses a staggering 15,000 to 20,000 pounds of cocoa powder every week. Once mixed, the rich batter is transferred into baking trays, where rows of pans march beneath a high-speed depositor, filling more than 700 cupcakes every minute. Next, the cupcakes enter a massive 70-foot oven, baking to perfection before being cooled for 45 minutes. This step ensures they develop the ideal texture, soft and fluffy on the inside, yet firm enough to hold the delicious creamy filling. Once cooled, the cupcakes move to the filling station, where they are injected with sweet vanilla cream through specialized tube injectors. This process alone fills around 11,000 cupcakes per hour. Afterward, the cupcakes are carefully removed from their trays and sent toward the chocolate waterfall, where they receive their smooth, glossy coating. But no Hostess cupcake is complete without its finishing touch, the legendary squiggle. A precision machine carefully draws 7 squiggles. Each cupcake is individually wrapped in plastic to maintain freshness. A standard box contains 8 cupcakes, ensuring convenient packaging. Once packed, they are ready for shipment. But did you know that there is another variation in Hostess cupcakes since the 1940s? These citrusy treats were introduced as a flavorful twist on the classic cupcake, and they've been a fan favorite ever since. The magic begins with a carefully crafted batter made from sugar, water, enriched bleached wheat flour, palm oil, high fructose corn syrup, and eggs. But what sets them apart is the zesty burst of orange oil, giving each bite a refreshing citrus kick. The batter is poured into molds and baked until perfectly golden and fluffy. Once cooled, the cupcakes are filled with sweet, creamy goodness before being topped with a smooth layer of orange icing and finished off with the iconic 7-loop squiggle, a signature Hostess touch. To keep them fresh and snack-ready, each cupcake is individually wrapped, packed in boxes of 8, and shipped to stores nationwide. So whether you're a longtime fan or discovering them for the first time, these citrusy delights are always ready to add a little zing to your snack time. But wait! We've got more for you to explore as the Hostess celebrates its 100th anniversary with their delicious birthday cupcakes. Hostess birthday cakes were first introduced in 2019 as a limited edition treat to celebrate the 100th birthday of Hostess cakes. Their production process is similar to the classic orange cupcakes with a few festive twists. It all starts with mixing the batter. Ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, and vanilla combine to create that signature soft and fluffy texture, giving them the taste of actual birthday cake. Colorful specks are mixed into the batter, creating a vibrant, speckled interior that makes every bite feel like a celebration. The batter is poured into molds and baked to golden perfection in high-speed ovens. Once cooled, each cake is filled with sweet, creamy filling for that iconic Hostess touch. Next, they move down the conveyor belt, coated with a smooth layer of vanilla frosting and topped with the signature icing swirl and bright, festive sprinkles. Finally, they're individually wrapped and packed, also in boxes of 8 individual cupcakes, and are ready to ship, spreading birthday cheer with every bite. In 2019, Hostess birthday cupcakes were such a hit that they sold a whopping 31 million units. That's a whole lot of birthday cheer packed into one blockbuster celebration for Hostess's 100th anniversary. Not only that, Hostess has expanded its snack offerings with the introduction of Zingers cakes. Zingers suggest a tangy flavor, but these treats are quite sweet. They feature a soft cake filled with creamy goodness and topped with a rich layer of icing, or, for the raspberry variety, a raspberry and coconut coating. The journey begins with crafting the cake batter, where premium ingredients like enriched flour, sugar, and water are meticulously combined to form a smooth mixture essential for achieving the signature softness of Zingers. Once the batter is prepared, it is poured into molds and baked in tunnel ovens with precise control over the baking process to ensure each cake rises perfectly and has a consistent texture. After baking, the cakes cool to room temperature before being filled with a luscious, sweet cream that enhances their flavor and provides a delightful contrast in texture. Depending on the variety, the cakes are then adorned with distinctive toppings. Chocolate Zingers receive a rich chocolate icing. Vanilla Zingers are coated in vanilla icing, and raspberry Zingers are finished with a raspberry syrup and a sprinkle of coconut. These toppings not only elevate the visual appeal, but also enrich the unique flavor profiles of each Zinger. Once the icing or coating has set, each Zinger is individually wrapped to preserve its freshness and then packaged into boxes for distribution to retailers and consumers. The meticulous attention to detail throughout the manufacturing process ensures that every Zinger meets the high expectations of its fans, delivering the delightful taste and texture they love. But the ultimate treat arrived in 1967. Ding Dongs. These delectable chocolate snack cakes are enveloped in a rich layer of chocolate icing and filled with a luscious cream that's hard to resist. Interestingly, their name was inspired by a Hostess television ad featuring a ringing bell. The creation of a ding dong starts with the batter, where premium ingredients like enriched flour, sugar, water, and palm oil are carefully measured and mixed in large tanks. These tanks maintain a gentle agitation to ensure a smooth and consistent batter, which is essential for achieving that perfect cake texture. Once the batter is just right, it is dispensed into baking pans by precise depositors. These pans then enter a tunnel oven where the controlled environment allows the batter to rise evenly, resulting in the soft, fluffy cakes that ding-dongs are famous for. After baking, the cakes are delicately removed from their pans and moved onto conveyors that lead them through a cooling system. This cooling process is vital before the cakes are filled with a rich, creamy center, creating a delightful contrast to the chocolate exterior. Next, the filled cakes reach the enrobing station, where they are coated in a luxurious layer of chocolate. This continuous flow of chocolate ensures each cake is uniformly covered, enhancing both flavor and freshness. Finally, once the chocolate has set, each ding-dong is individually wrapped to preserve its freshness and make it easy to enjoy on the go. These wrapped treats are then boxed and prepared for shipment, ready to delight consumers everywhere. And there you have it. From the golden Twinkies to the indulgent ding-dongs, the Hostess factory is a marvel of modern food production. Every step, from mixing the batter to packaging the final product, is a perfect blend of automation and craftsmanship, ensuring these beloved treats taste just as good as we remember. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at how Hostess cupcakes are made, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Industria. And what product should we uncover next? Let us know in the comments.